Your brain is awesome. It lets you dodge lampposts while texting, remember every 2000 song lyric, and survive group chats with 37 unread messages. But what if most of what you think you know about your brain is totally wrong? Today, we're busting brain myths you've probably believed for years, and trust me, some of them are wildly wrong. By the end, you'll be like, wait, that's a myth? Let's blow your brain's mind. Myth 1, you only use 10% of your brain. Nope. You're using way more than that. Even while watching this video, eating chips, and petting your dog, brain scans show that almost every part of your brain lights up during daily life. Thinking, moving, daydreaming, even remembering that one embarrassing moment from 5 years ago, all brain-powered. Your brain's always on, that even while you sleep, it's cleaning house and filing memories. Myth 2, people have one learning style. Ever heard someone say, I'm a visual learner, cool, but science says, learning styles don't actually help people learn better. You don't just absorb info better by seeing versus hearing versus touching. It's not about the style. It's about understanding the material. It's like saying you only work out using your right leg. Your brain's like, I've got other muscles too. Myth 3, listening to Mozart makes you smarter. Sorry to your Spotify playlist. But Mozart isn't brain magic. This myth came from one tiny study, and it only showed a temporary boost in performance, and only for a specific type of task. So yes, classical music is cool. Myth 4, you're either left-brained or right-brained. Oh, you're creative? Must be right-brained. Logical? Definitely left-brained. Sounds neat, but science says nope. Your brain isn't a divorced couple, like it's a team. Both sides talk constantly through something called the corpus callosum. Think of it like brain Wi-Fi. So whether you're solving math or painting, both hemispheres are working together. Myth 5, your IQ can't change. Sorry, I'm just not a math person. Yeah, your IQ is not carved into stone. Brains are like muscles. They can change. This is called neuroplasticity, and it's real science, not a Marvel story. With effort, strategy, and practice, you can literally get smarter over time. So don't blame your brain. Train it. Myth 6, your brain stops developing after childhood. This one's just outdated. To you, your brain keeps changing throughout your entire life. It can form new connections, strengthen old ones, and even grow new neurons. Yes, even in your 80s. So keep learning, keep challenging yourself. Your brain's just waiting for the next adventure. Myth 7, memory works like a video camera. We wish it did. But memory isn't a perfect recording. It's more like a messy collage. Every time you recall something, your brain reconstructs the memory and might add a few bonus facts you didn't ask for. That's why you might swear your friend said something, but actually that was just a dream. Your brain's trying its best, okay? So, how many of these myths did you believe? 1, 3, all 7? It's okay. Most of us grew up hearing them, but now you know the truth. Your brain is way more awesome and weird than pop culture gives it credit for. And if your brain enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share it with that one friend who still thinks Mozart unlocks superpowers. See you next time, and keep that brain curious.